What if your next video could edit itself? No timeline, no editor, no dragging clips around at midnight. I gave Claude Code one screen recording and one instruction. Cut the video, fix the audio, built the layout, the whole system. Let's open it up. Here's all it started with: a raw screen recording and a face cam clip. One line. Analyze this and edit it. First, it checks the files, resolution, length, both sources healthy. Then it runs Whisper, transcribing every word and pinning every frame to the exact second it happens. That transcript becomes the map for every cut it's about to make. A few minutes later, the edit is back and it shows it's working. A full cut list with a reason for every single trim. Dead air, gone. Stumbles, gone. And it ships the result in two ready-made picture-in-picture layouts, face cam already placed. You're not reviewing a mystery, you're reviewing a report. Now here's my favorite part, the repair loop. It watches its own output like a second pair of eyes. It spotted my face cam sitting off center, flagged it, and asked me what I wanted to change. The AI is reviewing the AI. All you do is answer. So I just typed it. Center my face cam. Add some glass monobolism effects. No key farms, no masks, one sentence. Version 2 came back with me dead center and clean glass panels animating over the footage. If you can describe it, it can edit it. And this is where it gets properly interesting. Because if AI is editing the video, why not have AI generating footage as well and dropping it straight into the edit? A clip that never existed. Watch this. I made a clip with Seedance, told Claude, put it in a panel just above my face cam, and don't disturb the edits. It imported it, built the panel, matched the layout, and fixed an audio problem in the same pass. That's generated footage sitting inside an auto-edited video, zero manual editing, start to finish. Everything stays adjustable. Move the panel top left, make it bigger, change the font colors, hold a clip on screen longer. Each one is just a sentence. You're directing, not editing. It's the difference between building the furniture and telling someone where to put it. It goes further. You can generate footage without ever leaving the edit. Hook up an API key, KA, FAL, or HISCS field, describe the 5-second clip you want, 5-second clip, and it generates it and places it on the timeline for you. Idea to finished insert in one conversation. So what do you actually need? Less than you'd think. Claude Code, the $20 plan, is plenty. FFmpeg and Whisper, both free. Python, Note, about 10 gigs of space, and the HyperFrames pack. That's the whole stack. If your computer can record your screen, it can run this. And the control goes right down to the second. At 4 seconds, move this there. At 17, bring that in. It just does it. That's the full system. It edits, it repairs, it generates, and it takes direction, while you stay the director the entire time. You direct. Every file you need is waiting in the AI Injection School community. Download the pack, follow the steps, and your next video edits itself. If this blew your mind even half as much as it blew mine, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell, because what I'm testing next is even crazier. See you there.